These guys,
But you can't maintain since I say
they don't kill me with gist. Oh, Bobs. Only here now, I don't know everything will happen for Nigeria in the past 60 years. No, say we never reach 60 years, but they know this past 60 years.
We know the future.
Bobs. Honor me, so who know they here, no day. Aye, Bobs. Now they wait for camera.
It just maintain, like say, nothing they happen.
Chameleon attitude. It's a chameleon attitude.
Oh, God. All right, today go there very, very interesting. We get the #1 man of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, comedian #1. No other person they compete with.
If you leave that thing, if Bobby caught tomorrow, if basketball caught tomorrow, if I go die, that's a title. That's a title you go give.
Okay, but at least enjoy the title now.
I know they fake myself. As I be Kofi the Guru, most versatile comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
What
You say?
What that most versatile?
No, nobody there. No comedian where they sing, where they act, where they produce, where they write, where they direct, where they stand up. With nobody. Everybody gets their own. AY gets their own. Basketball gets their own.
Show me some talent now.
No, go. You go first, die, go back. Go ask God for your own.
So you say they sing?
Now my 10th album just come.
Give us a...
I know they do a cappella. I don't be Vico.
That was shit.
By the way, sorry, I also the bluntest comedian in Nigeria. I talk as a B. We know the editor. We know the editor. We know the think I'm say one offense.
As just they come
My clients, I know they abuse. But the truth, I must talk.
Okay. But so you know, say right now, we be your clients.
No, we be friends. We the jolly, with the group Friday things.
No, but because you say you know they abuse your clients now.
No, you don't be my client. You don't pay me for this service.
I'm tired.
Client now. I'm tired. Now who pay for generator fuel for my generator be client too?
Okay, so you need fuel.
Who pay my house rent? Now be client too.
Oh, why you increase that?
Who pay the never bill?
I say you need fuel. I send a house rent.
But who follow me sit down with jolly with gist? That my party with that one.
Yes.
Client's different.
Okay, make I reframe the introduction.
Yeah.
But he's saying versatile now, so I want to give them. We have the #1 versatile comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The man we talk saying they blunt, they talk him as he be, no they add anything. As he be now, waiting you just talk him. If you were, you go tell you say you were. If you fine, you go tell you say you fine. So he's blunt like that. Abi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They'll put
Olu Jacobs now man we are actually respect.
They don't come back. They don't come back.
Okay, bro. So what do you think about Olu Jacobs?
Bros, see, now the prayer we pray, but I say make we feel reach the level we be say, we go feel proudly talk say yes, this is the thing we did all our life. Now where they go with that? Say make our feet grow, reach the point where we say my grandchildren go feel proudly go out say we are the grandchildren of Kofi Idowu. You know, say na legacy the man, na institution in be now. Me, when I did small, I've been like to roll with old people. Now my grandma said to them, and they like to sit down with the wisdom where I pick up from them. Now from say them be archive. Olu Jacob has a be so na a whole institution of information. So wait till me at the see now say, man, this kind of person, you know, we need to worship him, give an icon, you know. And from where him from come, now thespian him be in do serious training as an actor. No be say, but as country come be now make them join Nollywood. If to say things they right, people like that, they don't need anything to do for Nollywood. Now them be the 4 bears. In the set of them Ogunde, all those kind of people. Now the level way in day. People will be say them be cinematographers, them be cinematic actors, them be stage craft people. We be say when they know they use microphone.
They're real.
Their own a real life theater that time. They go vogue on stage. You go hear the performance. They reach. Now British training be. Then when it come that year, when we did small again, they come they do Third Eye. That the only successful detective series we ever for Nigeria be that, and only Olu Jacob succeed with her. Then later, when Nollywood come change things, him come begin act either Wicked Igwe. Now the only Yoruba man where they act Igwe be that.
Yes.
Only Olu Jacobs. So you get one time now when they provoke for is say why Olu Jacobs they always collect Igwe role. Then they say okay who won't come do Igwe where people go like because when he bring that in vex I they laugh. If that in vex, I they like that vex. When they bring the vex, they say, man.
Then when they vex, you they shake one
see, action. You go they see the action. Say, man.
This one they shake.
You know. So for me, now the people where people supposed to study with this.
Yes.
You know, you say you want now waiting you want be with this. You go need to go watch Olu Jacobs. For me, two people stand out.
Okay.
When they talk, say acting, Tom Hanks and Olu Jacobs.
Tom Hanks. So you both.
Tom Hanks, now my favorite actor of all time.
Wow.
If you from the days of Splash, the Mami Water movie.
Mami Water, I watched.
So now one of the most successful actors of all time, we say from small pikin, he grew enter him to this old age. The same to Olu Jacobs, he grew enter him. So that's why for me, those two people then stand out.
Evidence of being versatile. When they watch them.
I tell you.
He don't give us everything what we need to know.
So if I want to look at coffee, make una look at where we're now.
No, the thing we actually, as in, yes, I understand saying that Baba, as in him na expert for inside the trade. I like the way they carry in own marriage. As in, that person where you go look up to you.
And another thing with that way I no talk self. You know, you get one time where people then been tick say because Auntie J fine like that. And say Uncle Olu, he old person small, so the difference is you go leave him, can't go marry another younger man or something. The way we then take package their relationship, take hold themselves, do things in a very cultured and matured way.
Yes.
He encouraged me to know, so, okay, hope day for us entertainers to feel hold our homes.
Yes.
Because the way they say entertainers now say we no fit marry, hold our homes well. We go just fit do anyhow yaga. We be loafers, we be waves, we be now on the road people we be, so we no fit hold relationships. But those are perfect examples. Say man, love not die. The moment where you don't sign till death do us part. Not till death do us part. So those two people then be good example. You know, all these Twitter relationship, Instagram marriages and all those things, they no see, you know.
At all.
They no see, then trend tired that year now, but still they no break up the things. Nobody talks because nobody said they no go get scuffle.
They go get now, but you no go ever hear them.
Then go get scuffle. We know say as them be like that. And again, the two of them can be actors. He go they very tight to date together. You know, Tango go they say, man, I mean they hot this season. I hot past you. You know now. Pale, calm down. You know, say your set don't less. So don't come there. Now me the trend now. That kind of thing go day, friction go day. We say season go day, Auntie J go they make money pass her.
Yes, no.
Season go day. Instead go, go day around, and she be woman. She go need, Hamatan sanction. And so all those kinds of things go, but they no bring and come Instagram for us. They no tweet say what. They no tell us for Facebook say anything. They just keep their things for house. They discuss them. Go outside, go work, come back house, be family. So them, the perfect example of what an entertaining couple should be.
I tell you, and a lot of entertainers need to look up to them and learn from them.
In fact, I say Will Smith and Jada Pinkett, now them then look, say, this Nigerian couple where...
But for me, unlike Will Smith and Jada Pinkett, maybe say they don't get plenty rumors of this, that. Still, Olu Jacobs and Joke Silva...
Don't even hear anything.
Exactly. So I'm not going to even compare themselves.
In other words,
they're different leagues.
Dear future husband, una they hear.
Yes, learn
that
from
now, if your future husband go be entertainer too.
No, you don't have to be entertainer.
She already done the industry. So
like you get one particular line where you give one time where we read on top of the show. In talk say till now, even with old age, he say before his wife come out from house, she'd always look at the first mirror. Honey, how do I look?
Now.
You can imagine.
Of course now.
That love, as in, you'll not say, yes, the foundation, actually right foundation, solid ground. Now they start the marriage.
Love no day based on waiting on they enjoy love is based on your best friend.
Yes.
The person will go advise you first, the person where you go run to first, where if you tell the most intimate things.
Yeah.
You know, if you get paddy, maybe like when you day young, girl, and that person where they tell, just convert him to guy. They marry him, you are good. Convert that your paddy girl. Look for a male version of him, marry the guy. You know, get problem for life. The same thing, guy. If you be guy, we get one bobo, we say, I be guy. When time not ready to marry, just look for girl. We fit stand in that position. We be say, if you tell the girl anything, you don't go beyond say, they enjoy, they do all the. Now say person will be say, come, you get one thing will happen. Person will if you relate with on that level as your best friend, you don't get problem.
All right, we celebrate you today, Olu Jacobs. We appreciate you, we appreciate your marriage, and we appreciate your talent. And keep on the bless a lot of entertainers with the goodness where you carry, come give them, both in marriage and also in the acting industry. All right, now we enter our first discussion for today. Hey, as we get, the versatile man, the blunt comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria inside our studio. Today we are blessed.
Blessed are you among women.
We are blessed.
Yes, blessed am I. And you see,
all right, our first discussion for today. Now, what thing you go do if you find out, say, your best friend, they flirt on your spouse?
I go call him, tell him, say, I like your appreciation of my job. Because, no, see, as I did like this, if another man no look my wife, signal him, it means say I know they do my work. She is not worthy to even be my own wife continuously. And be say she still carry package we go make me look so okay, now my wife be this. You know, appreciation of wedlock. Now say every day in, day out, there is improvement in all ways. You understand? When I be younger man, I no fine like this. Now based on say I marry, I calm down, everything day kulele. So the same thing must transfer to my wife. So definitely every man, they always like to appreciate good thing. So definitely one man go day one corner, look my wife, say, madam, how far? Now she go come and I say, guy, calm down. So if the report can't reach me, I say, Bobs, if na me be you two, I go toast. I go toast. My wife did like that, but as you don't come say, na me dey there. You understand? You understand? Now say you do it in Kawasaki.
I so, you.
But if you can carry on, like say maybe in get one thing, one liver, we pass the number of livers we God give us, and a day man go show. Say myself I be man on my own lane. That one where they say whiskey break bottle, all those kind of things. No. They also say whiskey reach like 3 other people. The habit they, but now say we be all man and animal. Now just something hold us down. So when you bring out the animal, you go see say that gentleman where you see na animal too.
You don't and the only dragon.
Where gentleman know they like now make you pinch him wife. If you pinch him baby, if he do come on eye. But you say you don't marry that woman, you know if you pinch him woman.
All right, you don't hear
you go see the Cisco as you talk.
Before we let this talk about time, we know what the ladies go do, and we're going to need to buy some break. Now, when we come back, we'll talk more on top of this one, and then we go tell you 5 things where every woman needs to know about men. When they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.